Remote.co online job platform review, usage experience. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Remote.co, a platform that connects remote workers with companies offering full-time, part-time, and contract remote job opportunities. You'll find the links to the platform in the description below, so you can explore it and get started right away. Remote.co is specifically designed for remote workers who want to find job opportunities in various fields, such as customer support, marketing, design, development, and project management. It's an excellent platform for professionals looking to work from anywhere in the world, offering access to companies that embrace remote work as their primary mode of operation. One of the standout features of Remote.co is its job board, which is updated regularly with job listings from reputable companies. The site curates these job opportunities to ensure they are all truly remote, saving you time from searching through countless job boards that may feature a mix of remote and in-office jobs. Remote.co also organizes job categories, allowing users to easily filter and find roles based on their skill set and interest. The platform also offers a resources section, providing articles, webinars, and advice on how to thrive in a remote work environment. This is ideal for those who are new to remote work or want to improve their productivity and work-life balance. In addition to job listings, Remote.co also features COT company profiles, where you can learn more about the organization's hiring and get a sense of their culture, which can be essential when evaluating if a remote job is a good fit for you. The platform is highly user-friendly and requires minimal setup to start browsing job listings. For employers, Remote.co offers an easy way to post job opportunities and attract qualified remote workers. In conclusion, Remote.co is an excellent platform for anyone looking to find a remote job or build a remote team. It's straightforward, trustworthy, and well-organized. Check out the links in the description to learn more and start your remote job search today.